On October 21st, my daughter took me for an excursion up to Idaho City, just northeast of Boise. As you can see, it was fall with a lot of fall colors, some pretty scenes there. This is the watershed area for Boise. The closest reservoir to a large metropolitan area is Lucky Dam, but as you can see, Lucky Dam is not looking awfully lucky right now. I'm flying my 5-year-old Mavic Air 1 to capture some views of the forest, including the burn area. This is a trailhead for people to hike through the forest. At this point, I tried to fly out 1/4 mile to look over this next peak. When I started out, it showed that I had 12 minutes of flight time. But as I got out over this point, I decided it was time to turn around and come back to make sure that I had enough to get home over this rather rugged burn area. There was about 10-mile-an-hour wind coming from the Boise direction, so I was going to be flying back in about a 10-mile-an-hour wind. I'm heading back in the Boise direction now, flying into the sun. And while I'm 124 feet up, that's above my home point. I'm more like 250 feet up above the floor of the forest. I'm now 1,200 feet from the home point, and I suddenly get a message that my motors are at max speed. It recalculates the time to go home, and at 600 feet from the home point, it starts to indicate that the battery life, instead of being 6 minutes, is now down to only a couple. I was able to recover my drone, but this was definitely a close call.